Hello children, myself Yashoda Mali from Silver Bells Mansarovar. Once again welcome to Unit 1. So today we are going to start the first poem from your English 1 book Honeycomb, and the name of the poem is The Squirrel. So this is a very short poem written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. This poem describes a squirrel that the poet observes in his garden. So it is covered with grey fur. It sits in an upright position on a tree branch eating a nut. So to the poet, its tail looks like a question mark because of its bent shape. So you may have seen a squirrel sitting on the ground eating a nut. What did it look like? So here's a poet's description of just such a squirrel. So let's read this poem first. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. So to the poet, so the squirrel's tail looks like a question mark because of its bent shape. The happy and lively squirrel loves to play with the poet and her friends. So whenever they ran around his tree, he would run to the other side of the tree. The poet tells us about the nature of the squirrel, that is innocent and naughty. And like this squirrel likes to tease anyone who comes near to him. So now read this poem and enjoy it. So in this poem, poet saw a squirrel sitting on a tree and eating nuts. So its tail was raised upward with the tip pointing downward. So the tail looked like a question mark. So this squirrel had a grey coat. It was so loose that the poet calls it an overcoat. So in order to eat a nut, it was sitting straight. Squirrel is funny little animal. So this squirrel likes to play with human beings. If human being ran around his tree, the squirrel wouldn't be frightened. It would like to tease and play. So to do so, it would also run around the tree but from the opposite side. So let's read the poem once more. He wore a question mark for tail. So question mark for tail means the tail which looks like a question mark. An overcoat of grey means the squirrel appears wearing a grey coat. Tease means to make fun of. So the idea of this poem is the survival of the squirrel. So in this poem, it is well said that God designed this nature in a very systematic way. All big or small, wealthy or poor have a different quality and different place in this world. So nobody is superior and nobody is inferior. So let's read this poem once more. He wore a question mark for tail and overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if he ran around his tree, he went the other way. So here ends this poem. Read and understand it well.